Great news for Huawei fans. The highly anticipated HarmonyOS NEXT update is finally coming to the Huawei Mate XT trifold in March 2025. This self-developed operating system is set to bring a host of new features and enhancements to one of Huawei's most innovative devices. While several flagship models have already received the update, the Mate XT is next in line, and it's worth the wait. The HarmonyOS NEXT upgrade promises to elevate the Mate XT's performance, offering a more seamless and intuitive user experience. Alongside the Mate XT, other devices like the Huawei Nova Flip, Nova 13 series, and MatePad tablets are also expected to receive the update in March. One of the standout features is the customized Petal Maps interface, which will provide a more convenient navigation experience for Mate XT users. But that's not all. The Mate XT is also gearing up for its global debut on February 18th, showcasing its triple-screen folding mechanism, dual-hinge technology, and powerful camera setup, including a 50MP primary lens and 5.5x optical zoom. With AI features already integrated, the HarmonyOS NEXT update could bring even more smart capabilities to this groundbreaking device. Are you excited about the HarmonyOS NEXT update for the Mate XT? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates from TechVerse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.